Jessica. Thank you for joining us. Welcome to our kitchen, and this is the Half Pint Soup. Today we are making baby back ribs. They are so good, ridiculously easy to make. There's a big debate on ribs depending on who you talk to. Some people smoke them, some people put them on the grill, some people do a combination of both. I have always made mine in the oven, which is super easy when it's really cold and you have two littles running around. So we are going to oven bake some fall off the bone ribs, and they are going to be spectacular. Are you ready?
Just dry it off. First thing we're going to do is make sure those ribs are nice and dry. Okay, tap that one dry. This recipe is so easy and it's so good, you're not even going to believe how easy it is. I've got some, whoa! Some dry rub.
Is that too much?
That's a lot. Use your hand and rub that in.
Okay.
Can you use your hand and rub it in? Rub it in. Okay. Okay, good job. Oh, yeah, we gotta wash your hands. I'm gonna add some beef broth to that. If you're doing it in the oven, you have to add liquid so that it doesn't get dried out.
Put some over here.
Yeah, it'll go over there. Just keep pouring. And it gives good flavor too.
It's putting it too.
Oh, good job, Jay. Water. Okay, don't rinse it. Okay, that's good. Good. So those are in a 400-degree oven, and you're just gonna bake that for like 3 or 4 hours. A long, long time. No sauce yet. If you put the sauce on now, it will like caramelize and get real gooey and yucky. So no sauce until like the very end. Okay, so the ribs have been cooking about 3.5 hours, and you can see how the meat, oh yeah, it's falling off. Now we're gonna take this Jack's Kansas City, which is the best sauce ever. There we go. And we're gonna put it back in the oven until that meat just falls right off the bone. Ribs are painted, and they will go back in the oven for about an hour. We're gonna make this potato casserole. We have some shredded frozen hash browns, and you sprinkle all of that everywhere with salt.
Okay. Oopsie.
That's fine. Just get it everywhere.
Okay.
Pepper.
Some there.
Yep, make sure you get it everywhere. Keep shaking. So now we're gonna add a little layer of onions everywhere. Good job. Keep adding those. It's about a half, maybe a little less than a half of an onion. Okay, now we're gonna put another layer of hash browns on top of that. Spread it out everywhere, get some more. There we go. We do another layer of salt. We don't do the salt in between the layers. This, because it doesn't have cheese in it, can end up really bland. So, just a little bit more on that side. There we go. Hit me with some more pepper.
A pepper again.
Pepper again. Okay, so now we have a 1/2 cup of milk and a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. We're gonna drizzle that over the whole thing.
How is that?
I know, but you gotta let me help you.
Why do I need help?
Because if you don't get it, if you get it all in one spot, we need it everywhere. So you're doing it. I'm just steering. Butter. We're gonna do the same thing with 1/2 cup of butter. So let me just steer. You pour. Excellent job. Okay, we're gonna top that with some parsley, and we're gonna put that in the oven for about 30 minutes until it's kind of crispy and brown on the
How
top.
did this